Hi friends, this video shows how to connect TV to a hidden Wi-Fi network. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to network and internet. Let me turn on Wi-Fi, then go down, tap on add new network, select this. Here we need to enter the name of the hidden Wi-Fi network. Let me enter the name. This is the name of the hidden Wi-Fi network. Then submit. Here we need to select security type. Let me select WPA2 personal. Here we need to enter the password of the hidden Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Okay, done. Then submit. It's connected. So this way we can connect TV to a hidden Wi-Fi network. See, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.